About to go crazy. No matter the altercations, the problems that happen, we're gonna get that work done. We're gonna work hard. About 30 seconds. Feeling good. Finish the workout. Feel me? Chest is burning. But another day, another dollar.
Over here hiding. Come on.
We never hide. I love the thing. I love the thing. What's up, my people? I'm back with a new video. Not the typical day in the life type vlog, but something different. It's Thanksgiving and coach gave us our workout. Me and some of my teammates decided we're gonna go work out at this really cool indoor track that's nearby. Some great athletes have actually competed there, like Noah Lyles, Gabby Thomas, Trevor Mermel, Sydney, me, Chilt. But I've never practiced there, and you know, I thought it was a good idea to record it and, you know, bring you all along the way. Right now it's like 11:15. If my phone will focus. Damn! It's 11:15. My team is gonna go pick me up soon, and then we're gonna make our way. Yeah! Yo, I know you guys see these same sheets from day one. I wash my sheets, guys. Something called detergent. I wash my sheets every week. Dave's outside right now. He just gave me the text. He said, "Come down." I don't know who he's talking to like that, but we're gonna go make our way down and make our way to this track. And I'm gonna just show you all along the way. FaceTime Dave.
Starting a FaceTime call to Dave.
Yo, where you at?
Going up the hill right now.
He come out and like he was here, bro.
Wait, how long you been out there?
I just came out.
I just put my cup.
Alright, bro. See, that's why you can't trust people, bro. How you gonna say come out and you ain't even close? But it's all the way down there. Bottle, bro? Yeah, man.
I just woke up from a nap, tired as hell.
Yo, how you napping at 11 a.m., bro?
You know how we're long sprinters?
Yeah.
I was thinking, what if we do the short sprints workout?
Yo, this guy, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, bugging, yo.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
I'm gonna tell Gerard that idea to see what he says.
I'm crying,
Let me
bro.
see you put it on me, bro. Yo, it's not easy being long sprinter. I mean, sometimes you want to take it easy. Like, your workouts be easy as hell, bro.
What you mean, bro? They're not that easy, bro. This how
But you got one 200, 100, 200. Nigga, we got a 500, 300. Like, wait.
No, come on now.
Yo.
Nah, long
Alright,
sprinters.
this is my workout right here. You can't see it. I'm doing 440s, 1 300, and then 200 and 100 and 200. But the 200 and 100s is like 30 seconds in between, bro. Yo, bugging. Wait, what he say?
You talking about some here 2 blocks down?
Yo, he did that same thing to me, bro.
I
Yo,
don't have to wait. I can wait.
this is different, bro.
I have a proposal. Listen. You know how we have a long sprint workout? Yeah. And how coach is not there?
Yeah.
What if we do the short sprint workout today? How you feel about that?
I'm showing this to coach, bro. We finally made it inside the track. We had like some altercations at the front. We were misinformed about when we could come in here, but you know, we finally inside. And we can't use spikes. Yo, stop recording me, bro. You're making me awkward,
behind the scenes.
We're about to go crazy. No matter the altercations, the problems that happen, we're gonna get that work done. We're gonna work hard. Oh, she. Hi.
We got her in trouble.
Hey.
You take out.
How they did?
I was gonna slip a 20 or something.
That's the girl. We thought she got fired because of us. She like misinformed us a little bit, but she didn't get fired. It's okay. But I started the camera. Bro, there's never no oxygen in these type of tracks, bro. I can't breathe. Camera died.
Walk with me real quick.
Yeah.
We're gonna be calm. We're gonna die. We're gonna be great though. All right, back to
Like I was saying, the first part of our workout is 440 meters to work on that speed.
So you gotta get the legs right.
Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? We gonna catch up when we doing it. Stop playing.
What say now?
Set. First part of the workout's done. 440s. Little 3 minutes, and then we got a 300. Coach said come at 37 to 41. I'm a little sick, but I'm gonna put that W in work for me. He can't beat me. You saw how he fell in that last round? He talking all this, bro. He falling.
Get away from me, bro. Get away from me, bro.
Alright, we all just did the 300. We got a full recovery. Like I said, I'm a little sick.
It's an awkward percent, I ain't gonna lie. Starting on the curve. We got Mance over there thinking about life.
Alright, we got the 200 coming.
Sir, almost done. Feel me? Getting better every day. That first meet is coming up. We're gonna be ready, baby. Stop playing.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling a little dizzy.
A little dizzy.
Can't wait to smoke. Feel afraid of the fire.
We can't even finish it. I go get ready. One more 200. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Job not finished.
Job not finished. What you gotta say, bro? Over here hiding. Come on.
We never hide. I love the pain.
You say you what?
I love the pain.
You say. Este palomo. ¿Cómo estamos?
Feeling good. Finished the workout. Feel me? Chest is burning. But another day, another dollar. Let's go. Finish strong, last round. Alright, so overall great workout. 440s, 300, and then 200, 100, 200. I was sick obviously, so I felt a little bit off, but we hit the times that we needed to hit. Feel me? Good workout. First meet coming up, we finna block that too. They can't beat me. That's mine.
Anyways, calm workout. I mean, long sprint is straight right here. We did the short sprint workouts. Coach gonna find out. I'm gonna call her, man. You can record what she says.
Thoughts on the workout? Starting with Dave.
It was fun.
It was fun?
Yeah.
It's fun.
I'm glad we got used to the indoor.
The indoor track. Yeah. You know, our first meet is at this track actually, so you know it's good to get used to it.
Way too good on me, bro. Hold up.
Yo.
Gotta get ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first meet on the way, gang.
Peace out. Alright, so Dave left his shoes and he doesn't know. Put them in my bag and we were far into the drive. I'm gonna be like, yo, where's your shoes? Let's see what he says.
Everybody got their shit from the store.
You got your shoes, bro?
Yeah. Check.
pretty sure. But it's too late. If I let something, it's over. I'm not going back. I'm gonna call and tell him to hold on to it.
Where?
What happened?
Yo, where the shoes at?
Who's?
Yours.
My book bag. Yo, stop playing. I left it.
Yeah, it's not.
You're lying.
Open it.
Did I? No, I'm mommy's.
Open his bag.
I really left it? Nah, you're lying. Nah, you're lying. Nah, y'all got it? Hey, y'all playing. I really left it?
Yes, lucky.
Oh!
Lucky.
Hey, lucky. I really left. Yo.
Yeah, you left them.
I was leaving my shit. Yo. Damn, I was like, yo, I gotta buy new trainers now. We finished the workout.
How was it?
We did the short sprint workout.
Why? But let me ask you, right?
We didn't do the 500.
Why?
Why did we?